Hello, everybody. For the past 2 months or so, I have been receiving requests for sharing more insights on the VRC section, adding more RCs to the playlist here on the channel, launch my VRC course that many in their own words found very effective last year. All this while I have been engaged with an institute and too busy with batches to spare any time. And as I continue to do so, finally, I have managed some time to offer more to those who want more. So as an extension to the free content available on this platform, I am launching a YouTube Premium that is intended to boost your verbal preparation through insights that learners apparently find really effective. The content shared in the TVM Premium will be above and beyond that which is already available for free here on the channel and will mainly consist of two things. More RCs for practice with detailed video solutions exactly like the ones that you have been watching for free. Most of these RCs will be shared in the form of sectional assignments of 4 RCs each. So you may set timer and convert them into sectional tests if you like. Second, I'm also going to share some topical insights on reading comprehension, verbal ability, writing in general, and overall CAT preparation, different approaches to solve different questions, how syntax, grammar, and semantics can help you understand language better and enhance your reading comprehension. I may also share analysis of some really good articles, books from a variety of subjects, philosophy, psychology, sociology, etc. Now, this TVM Premium is meant for those aspirants who are either not enrolled anywhere for live classes, so they might not exactly know how to approach certain questions, don't get to solve many questions with a mentor, or are enrolled somewhere but not truly satisfied, or simply like my teaching style better. If you are my student at the institute that I am engaged with, you are already getting all of it and more. So this TVM Premium is not for you, unless of course you are a fan or are absolutely in love with me or want more of virtual me, in which case, why would I mind? The launch date I set earlier was 1st of June, but I apparently contracted something that I strongly feel is COVID, though the reports say otherwise. Nonetheless, I've been feeling fatigued and been barely managing my live sessions, so could not muster the strength for this project. Now, hopefully, the first video of TVM Premium will go live on the 15th of June. I am sharing a Google form in the description of this video below. For those who are interested and have some queries, you will automatically get to know the price of the subscription once it is launched. So please save that question. Other than this, if you have any questions regarding the content, feel free to ask. I will take them all up in a video, hopefully 2 days from now. Xiao, cheers to learning.